My name is Paul Russell. I'm the manager of the Isratech Energy Solutions Division at Isratech Jamaica Limited, and we are here at Olympic Gardens Police Station, where we have engaged with the Jamaica Constabulary Force for a project to supply 5 standby diesel generators for police stations. So in this case here, we have a 150 kVA generator. Now, what goes into the assessment of what type of generator you need, how the logistics work to install it? So in this case, the police force would have had an internal consultant that would have recommended what size generator to go there. Knowing the size is not enough. We have to look at the location and look at the geometry to see if the generator can fit, what civil works are going to be needed, how does that affect the electrical works. In this case, we had to break the power supply coming from the transformers to feed the building and reroute it to our automatic transfer switch, as well as route power from the generator to the automatic transfer switch, and then route the power coming from the transfer switch back to the building. So there's quite a bit of logistics there, especially when you're dealing with a police station that can't have a shutdown for too long. So it's a lot of planning. There's haulage, there is civil work, masonry that we all have to coordinate. The delivery of this generator actually went quite smooth. There's a wide access. The forklift was easy to navigate and drive and put the generator where we wanted. I would say one of the more difficult aspects of this installation was we wanted to reroute the cable coming from the pot head to the transfer switch, but that's not always straightforward. So trying to pull the cables was quite a challenge. We couldn't get the cables through, so we had to navigate cutting the cables and creating weatherproof splices. So these are some of the aspects that can change, but that's why it's good to have a competent team of electricians that we work with consistently. So after installation, you're never on your own when it comes to Isratech. We provide a comprehensive after-sales service. Not in this case, but in general, we offer service contracts, and some clients choose to engage with the service contract, which gives you a discount on services and discount on parts, and also a preference in terms of emergency response, right? But we also do standalone services. We have a database where we keep a track of all of our generators, when they were installed, how far along they've been. And so we like to make checkup calls and checkup visits to see how the generator is performing, and we can recommend, okay, it's time for a service, or these adjustments should be made. So we're always in touch with our clients.